So this tutorial is going to show you how to get your effects that we added to this video, that we added over here, to all of your other videos, because we would hate to have to go and do those same settings over and over and over again. So there's an easy way. Once you have your effects exactly how you want them, and you will have to make some fine adjustments here and there, but you're going to click over here in your effects panel, click on the Lumetri color, hold Command and click on Circle so that we have both of those selected. See how they're both white, so we know they're selected. Command C. Now you want to click on every other video that you're going to add those effects to and hit Command V. Now you see they all got these purple effects. That means they all got effects now. So if you remove your playhead, you should see on your video, if it ever catches up. Well, that's surprising. There it goes. Man, that was really going slow. You can now see that all of your video has the black and white and the vignette that we did in that first setup. And the letterbox is, of course, all the way across, so it's going to have the black bars on every video. And that's the gist of it. Now, this video is only the master shot right now, with the exception of this shot. Notice his head is being cut off by the bars. You can double-click on him, go to your effect control, and bring his position down if you want to get the top of the head a little more in the frame. And I do. I don't want his head to be cut off. So you got to be careful, because, see, now it's too low. Just want it to be right in the bars, and that's where I'm going to go. So those are 2 tips in this video, how to add your effects to all of your other clips and how to adjust for the letterbox.